Hey cruisers, today we're going to take a look at outside balcony cabin 14245 on Carnival Panorama. This Cloud 9 spa cabin is located at the end of a hall near a convenient entrance to the pool deck on Deck 14. Entering the cabin, you'll find the sofa sleeper on the right, and the desk and vanity area on the left. We'll get a closer look at these a bit later. For now, let's take a look at the bed. There's some convenient storage in the nightstands on either side of this bed. Looking back at the sofa sleeper, you'll see there's plenty of space to stretch out and get comfortable. Here's a look at the sofa set up as a bed. Now let's take a closer look at the desk area. There's a hairdryer built into this drawer. Next to that is a refrigerator. There are USB ports and power outlets available in the wall above the desk. Continuing on, we have a cabinet with drawers and, of course, the push-button safe. Above that, we have more storage available on these shelves. Next to that are two closets with a good supply of wooden hangers. Since this is a spa cabin, you'll also find robes for lounging or for visits to the spa. On the opposite side, you'll find the thermostat and the bathroom. We have a pretty standard shower space here with shampoo and bath gel dispensers mounted to the wall. There are 3 shelves on either side of this large mirror in the restroom and a tiny bit of storage under the sink. Moving out to the balcony, you can see there's space for a couple of chairs and a small table. This is a great spot for photos and promises breathtaking views. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you're already subscribed, give us a quick like before you go. We'll also put some information about our vlogs and written trip diaries from our trips on Carnival Panorama in the description of this video, so you can see a little bit more, read a little bit more about our trip experiences on this amazing ship. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.